Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to unbox the Fisher-Price Learn with Sis Walker. This is good for 6 to 36 months old. So let's see. So these are the contents inside the box. Comes with the front frame, the back frame, the handle, and the 4 wheels. I already snapped back in, so you can't snap it back out. So once it's all snapped in, here, see, there's no way that you can take it out. So at the back, for the battery installation, you need to have 2 AA batteries. So there, I put 2 batteries inside already. This is your power button. This is for the minimum volume and then the maximum volume. And this is also the 2 front axle. You have to screw it in here and here. And then for the handle, you just snap back this 2. It will only goes one way, and you can't remove it also once it's all snapped. And then this one, so this side here and this side will go one way, and you do it like this. And you have 4 more screws left. It'll go here, 2 here, and 2 here. And this is what it looks like when it's assembled. So this one comes with a 75 plus songs, sounds, tunes, and phrases. Comes with the smart stages 1, 2, and 3. 1 will be, you just turn it on. So the nose lights up. We'll say the color for the stage 1, stage 2, it'll say English color and also Spanish. And then for the 3rd stage, for piano. And then this one, you can flip this. This one too. The bowling ball. You got keys and a circular shapes, round, square, and triangle. So let's see. This is Zoe. She can stand but still with support. Yes, I know. Here, you hold this. Hold this. And then you start pushing. Come on. Come on. Yes. You love it? Yes, you do. Yay. That's it for today for the unboxing and assembly of Fisher-Price Learn with Sis Walker. Thank you so much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!